let's have a seat. So, I called you both here today because of the new stem cell research bill that's coming up in Congress. I'd like to become more educated about the opposing sides because I don't know that much about it, knowing that you are both experts in your fields. So let's begin. Describe stem cell research to me.
Well, stem cell research, or stem cells themselves, are undifferentiated cells which are capable of giving rise to indefinite cells of the same type. To summarize this very in-depth topic, stem cell research is a biological research of stem cells that are derived from frozen embryos in order to be used in medicine. One of the biggest uses is to cure diseases which are currently uncurable, like blindness and diabetes.
But it is important to remember that the use of embryos is basically murder. It is killing innocent children who don't deserve to die without even being given the chance to live.
Wow. Well, now that I have a basic idea, let's get this debate started. I'll have you both just plead your case and tell me why I should vote with your views. Starting with you.
Okay, I am a representative of a medical research company, and we use stem cell research as a potential cure for diseases. We work with many people who are blind, who have cancer, are paralyzed, and many other awful diseases, and often diseases that don't currently have a cure. By voting for this bill, you would be supporting government funding of stem cell research like that my company does, which would provide us with money that we don't currently have and could cure an indefinite number of people.
I've heard that it can help with people who are paralyzed. Is that true?
It is true. Yes.
Good. And you?
Before you sign that bill, there are some facts you need to know. There are some aspects of stem cell research which are very questionable. Stem cell research is killing innocent children. No matter what claims of healing and wholeness embryonic stem cell research brings, no matter how appealing the argumentation, one cannot get around the fact that you are taking the life of an embryo, a human life, and which must be willfully taken.
Now that you've stated your opinions, I just have a few questions. Are frozen embryos the only place that we can get stem cells from?
No, they're not. They can be obtained from a variety of sources like the umbilical cord of infants and adult bone marrow transplants.
Are stem cells from embryos preferred?
They are preferred because they are totipotent, which means that they can develop into any type of cells. They're not limited to just being an umbilical cord cell or something of the like.
But where do these embryos come from?
They come from 4 to 5 day old fertilized cells, which are not used for in vitro fertilization. When these embryos aren't used for fertilization, they end up just in the trash cans around America, really not being used for anything.
But maybe we shouldn't be playing God with our reproduction in the first place. It's not our job to play God. If you were supposed to have a baby, you would.
Well, you guys have both brought out some interesting, convincing arguments. I now have a picture of babies in trash cans, and that is not a second to wrap up your arguments.
Stem cell research is death masquerading as life. Think about that.
Stem cell research is on the brink of curing HIV, and it saves 10 times the amount of lives that abortion kills. So, in fact, many lives are lost due to the closed minds in the US, and you could be saving so many lives if you vote for this bill.
Well, I appreciate you both coming here today. You both gave me a lot to think about, and I hope that now I can make an informed decision that will benefit many people. So, thank you.
You're welcome.
Enjoy your